In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Calendar private. By the end, your calendar won't be visible to the public or to people in your organization, so your schedule stays for your eyes only, unless you've shared it with specific individuals. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled My Calendars. If you don't see it right away, it might be collapsed. Hover over the left panel or click the small arrow to expand it. You'll see a list of calendars tied to your account. If you have more than one, choose the one you want to make private. The privacy setting is applied per calendar, not globally. Move your mouse over the name of that calendar. A small icon with 3 vertical dots will appear next to it. Click those 3 dots to open a quick menu. From that menu, select Settings and Sharing. This takes you into the settings for that specific calendar, which is exactly where we need to be. You're not changing all calendars, just the one you selected. In the settings page, scroll down until you find the section called Access Permissions for Events. This is the control center for who can see the events on that calendar. You'll see options that can make your calendar visible beyond just you. Now turn off public access by making sure Make Available to Public is not checked. When this is unchecked, your calendar will not appear to anyone on the web and search engines won't index it. Next, remove organizational visibility by making sure Make Available for your organization is also unchecked. If you're using a personal Google account, you may not see this option, and that's fine. If you're on a work or school account and it appears grayed out, it may be controlled by your administrator. In most cases, though, you can simply uncheck it. There's no save button here. Your changes apply instantly. From this point on, people won't be able to view your events through public links or organizational directories. Keep in mind that making a calendar private affects the calendar as a whole, but individual events can still have their own visibility settings. Also, if you've explicitly shared this calendar with specific people, they'll continue to have access until you change that separately. If you have multiple calendars, repeat these same steps for each one you want to keep private. That's all it takes. By reviewing just these settings, you've locked down who can see your schedule and ensured your plans stay private.